Preparing tax audit reports manually can be time-consuming. Collecting data from multiple sources and structuring it as per audit requirements increases effort and chances of errors. KDK Software simplifies this by providing a PAN-based tax audit-ready report with all annexures pre-prepared. To begin, click on the PAN view. Now select the required PAN name. Here, you will see multiple report options. Click on 3CA to 3CD/3CB to 3CD annexure report. The system will automatically generate the tax audit report in structured annexure format based on GST data. Next, click on GSTIN-wise to view turnover-wise detailed reports as per portal data. If you want to download the report, click on the download icon. The report will be downloaded instantly in Excel format. You can also download clause-wise reports in Excel for detailed audit analysis. This helps users prepare tax audit reports faster, ensure data accuracy, and access complete audit-ready information in one place.